My name is Isabelle. I graduated from UNH Manchester in 2022. I chose my high school based on a pre-college education program called the STEAM program that allowed me to get college credits by going to the local community college, MCC. That really gave me a head start when I got to UNH because I already had 2 years of my core curriculum done by the time I got here. I took that time to start an accelerated master's program here at UNH, so I used those 4 years to finish both my bachelor's and a master's degree. I think I'm just one of those people that's really hungry for education, and the university system of New Hampshire has always been the best place for me to do that. I teach a course called Biotech Products and Regulation, which really sets up the entire timeline of the course new biotech takes to market and to licensure to the public. In UNH and the greater university system, they're really focused toward creating a workforce for this new field. I was top of my class in high school. I did all the clubs and sports. I could have gone anywhere, but from where I saw it, we had a really dedicated staff, state-of-the-art scientific facilities, and great connection with local biotech companies and startups. The Advanced Regenerative Manufacturing Institute, or ARMI, is one of the reasons I came to UNH in the first place. Dean Kamen was saying that Manchester was going to be the Silicon Valley of regenerative medicine. And it was going to start with a new shared incubator research lab, which is funded by ARMI for UNH students to come learn on techniques and with equipment within regenerative medicine. As someone who has aspirations to work in this field, it's really important for me to be a part of that process, to bring these transformative therapies to the people of the world. UNH has meant so much to me as a researcher, as a student, as a teacher, as a TA. But if I had to use one word, I'd probably pick the word community. I feel like that really envelops and describes well the experience I've had and how beneficial it was. That community was so strong. The university system of New Hampshire is an incredible resource for our state and allows thousands and thousands of people to access education and to pursue their own dreams and their own career aspirations to the fullest extent.